Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply fake acrylic nails. The first step would be to file the nails. So you have to file the nails to the end and you have to follow that procedure for all your nails. Guys, here the nails are already short, so I'm not cutting them. If the nails are long, then you first cut them and then file. After filing, you can just clean them so that there will be no dust on the nails. Once the nails are filed, then you have to push back the cuticles. So it will be very easy to apply the nails if the cuticles are perfectly pushed back. So that is also one of the important steps. And you have to do it for all the nails. Then the next step would be to buff the surface of the nails. If the surface of the nails is shiny, then it will be difficult to stick the nails and they will not stay for the longer time. So if you want to keep the nails for the longer time, then it's better if you just buff the surface of the nails. Then you have to clean the surface of the nails so that there will be no dust or oil on the nails. After that, the most important step would be to select the perfect size. Then you can cut the nails as per the required size. Here I am using this tapes, and these tapes are like double-sided tapes, and you have to stick that tape on the nail and remove the upper side, and then you have to stick the nail. And this is a very simple step actually, but you have to select the perfect size of the tape also. Here I am just doing all permutation and combination and selecting the perfect size. Then I cut the nails as per the required size, and then I apply this tape, and or you can call this as a sticker, and this is very easy to do it. Guys, you can apply the fake nails using two types. You can use the glue or you can use the stickers. Now using the stickers is very easy, I think, and in the next video I'll show you how to use the glue to apply the fake nails. So here I'm selecting the perfect size and then I'm applying the nails on with the sticker. So this is very easy. Guys, this sticker should be of the nail size, or they can be a little bit smaller than the nail size, but they should not be bigger. If you're going for any party or wedding, then I think this can be the easiest and fastest way of beautifying your nails. So there are various options available in fake nails and you can do them at home. It is also cost effective. There are so many options available in the market. Now I'm shaping the nails. I've cut them with the cutter, but to make them more smoother and presentable, I'm filing them. Guys, regarding polygel nail extension, I have already created a video and you can check out that video on my channel. Polygel nail extension stays on the nails for 15 days generally. And this kind of fake nails, you can keep them or you can retain them on the nails for 5 to 6 days. Applying the fake nails is comparatively easy and less time consuming, and I think everyone can do it. For the whole hand, it might take 10 to 15 minutes for you, and it can be more faster also if the nails are perfectly prepared. And I just love these nails. If you're watching my video for the first time, then I would like you to know that I create content related to nails. So if you are a nail art lover and if you want to watch more videos on these topics, then I would request you to subscribe to my channel and also keep the notifications on. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.